Welcome to Nebula Pulse. This video series spotlights the hottest updates from Nebula Cloud Networking Management Solution. In this episode, we focus on the new feature sets that help MSP boost productivity at scale. Let's start with admins and teams. This all-new feature, working hand-in-hand with the new MSP company setup, like shared accounts, ensure that your customers' devices and license assets stay with your company, not with individual admins. Create staff admins with specific roles, group them into teams, and organize clients into manageable groups, ensuring 100% accountability and hassle-free audits for every network management activity, unlike shared accounts, freeing you from the tedious manual cleanups required when employees or customers move on. Monitor device status and asset inventories across all your customers is now easier than ever, thanks to the refreshed MSP Portal and the brand new device and license inventories.
On the configuration side, Nebula has long been recognized for offering the most comprehensive toolsets in the industry. Now, these tools have been fully revamped to enable truly centralized, cross-organization operations. The configuration template helps automatically sync multiple sites by applying setting changes to a master template, keeping everything aligned and consistent. Replicate configuration now supports both full site and product type specific replication, making it easier to apply best practices across customers and accelerate large-scale deployment. The all-new Backup and Restore focuses on quick recovery, minimizing downtime and keeping critical network settings consistently protected. And finally, changelog records every change made across your customers' networks, showing what was changed, by whom, and when, giving you full visibility and complete control. Nebula. Work smarter, not harder.